Air, our invisible friend. Air. Air is a mixture of several gases. The envelope or blanket of air around the Earth is called the atmosphere. The atmosphere is held by the gravitational force of the Earth. Both air and water are vital for life to survive. Atmosphere. The atmosphere is made up of several layers with different levels of density, thickness, and temperature. There is no definite outer boundary of the atmosphere. However, the density of air decreases as we move further away from the surface of the Earth. Layers of the atmosphere. The different layers of the atmosphere from the surface to the outermost layer are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. Let us study the different layers of the Earth. Troposphere. This layer is closest to the Earth's surface. It is the most important layer as most of the weather phenomena occur here. The troposphere extends up to 15 kilometers over the equator and about 10 kilometers above the poles. The temperature of the troposphere is warmer in the region close to the Earth's surface. It becomes cooler as we move higher. Stratosphere. This is the next layer of the atmosphere. No weather phenomena take place in the stratosphere. This layer is approximately 35 kilometers thick. Planes fly in this layer. The stratosphere contains the protective ozone layer in its lower region. The ozone layer is made up of ozone gas. One molecule of ozone gas contains 3 atoms of oxygen. The ozone layer filters out most of the harmful ultraviolet, that is UV rays of the sun. Weather balloons reach up to the stratosphere. Mesosphere. This is the middle layer of the atmosphere. Meso meaning middle. It is known for its meteor showers and is the coldest part of the atmosphere. Thermosphere. The layer after the mesosphere is the thermosphere or ionosphere. This layer is important for radio communication as it reflects radio waves and helps in the transmission of radio and television programs live from across the world. Exosphere. This is the uppermost layer of the atmosphere from the surface of the Earth and extends up to 10,000 kilometers from the surface of the Earth, fading into outer space. Artificial satellites and weather satellites orbit the Earth in this layer. Air, our invisible friend. Composition of air. Air is made up of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.04% carbon dioxide, and other gases 0.06%, let us learn more about atmospheric gases. Oxygen, O2. This is the most vital gas for life to sustain on planet Earth. Oxygen is also needed for burning of materials as it supports combustion. The process of burning is called combustion. Carbon dioxide, CO2. Plants require carbon dioxide to produce food. Carbon dioxide does not support combustion and is therefore very helpful in putting off fires. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas that absorbs the sun's heat and keeps the earth warm enough for living things to survive. Nitrogen, N2. Nitrogen is the major component of air, that is 78%, and helps to control combustion. Our body cells are also made up of nitrogen along with carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Properties of air. Air occupies space. We can understand this property of air through the example of an inflated balloon. The size of the balloon increases as we keep blowing in air because it occupies space. Things such as a football, car tires, cycle tubes, air pillows are useful only because of the air that is filled in them. Air has weight. Look at the given picture. We observe that the end of the rod with the inflated balloon inclines. This happens because the air filled in the balloon has weight. Air exerts pressure. Anything that occupies space and has weight exerts pressure. Car tires are able to bear the weight of the car due to the pressure exerted by the air in them. A footballer is able to kick an inflated football to a longer distance as compared to a deflated football because of the air present in it. Importance of air. Air is vital for processes like respiration in all living things and photosynthesis in plants. The atmosphere supports and controls combustion on the earth. The temperature of the earth is maintained at an optimum level due to the moderation effect of air on the earth. Air provides a medium for sound to travel and in turn enables us to hear. Wind energy is used for production of electricity through windmills. The sails of yachts use winds to move in the desired direction. Devices like ink fillers, injection syringes, spray pumps, siphons, straws, and vacuum brakes in vehicles depend on air pressure for their working. Transportation by cars, buses, trucks, and two-wheelers is possible because of the air that is filled in their tires. Musical instruments are called wind instruments because musical sound is produced by making air vibrate within the instruments. The accordion, bugle, flute, harmonica, harmonium, saxophone are some examples. Air, in general, helps in flying aeroplanes, helicopters, gliders, and hot air balloons. Moreover, sports like para-jumping and kite flying need air. Many plants use air as a medium for seed and pollen dispersal.